Welcome to the Maritime India Summit 2021. Special news from Port and Shipping News, Visakhapatnam. Maritime India Summit 2021. The time is running out fast. Only 5 days left for mega event that will facilitate investment in India, empowering India maritime industry with waves of investment. The countdown has begun. 5 days to go. NLDS, the port is also ranked second behind JNPT in terms of container thoroughfare in India. It has been operational since 1881 and has been called Gateway of South India, as it the driving force behind the trade and commerce in the region. Deen Dayal Port held press meet on occasion of curtain raiser of MIS 2021. Shri S.K. Mehta, Chairman, apprised about MIS multiple sections on variety of subjects concerning development of maritime sector are going to be contract through virtual. Deen Dayal Port Chairman DPT informed the press that MOAs projects worth of 77,000 crores are to be signed with investors due press meet. DPT signed 10 MOAs worth rupees 7,668 crores with giant like IOCL, Adani Logistics, MIS Limited, IBH Private Limited, Imami Agrotech and Agri Logistics Limited. This MOA will set to benchmark for the capacity building under Make in India and give wide momentum to the employment generation in India. JNPT delighted to announce that we have signed 30 MOAs with the potential investors for port projects, technology transfer and development of plots in JNPT SEZ for an amount of around 27,000 crores in line with the Maritime India Summit 2021 to be held virtually from March 2nd to 4th. JNPT. The investments by BPCL, JM Bakshi and Company, Ganesh Venture, DP6 World, NHAI, DP World, DCI, Vari Energies Limited, NITIE, SSG Pharma Limited, RAC Bank, Balmar Lavas and Company Limited, JWRS Logistics Private Limited are some of the companies that have signed Memorandum of Understanding towards manufacturing, IT services, etc. New Mangalore Port Trust Dr. A.V. Ramana, Chairman, spoke about Maritime India Summit 2021 while attending Mangaluru Innovations Convoy presented by Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka State, Member of Parliament DK, and other dignitaries of the Karnataka State Government. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.